Offer a difference, not a product. People buy differences. People embrace differences. People love when something connects with them. How are they going to connect with it if it blends in and it just sounds like everything else? How do you offer what you're providing in a different way? If you had a choice, if I put 20 things in front of you and said, pick one, and they were all different brands, but yet they all looked the same, they all sounded the same, they all smelled the same, they all tasted the same, they all felt the same, you'd be like scratching your head, scratching your ass and going, well, I don't know which one to pick. Sometimes it's going to be the language, sometimes it's going to be the delivery, sometimes it's going to be the attitude, sometimes it's going to be the colors, the design, the experience. How do you immerse someone into a different world? If you don't immerse them into a point of difference, you're immersing them into a sea of sameness. That is a disaster.